The biggest thing that I believe that clients should be aware of when purchasing a condo unit is that you're buying into the condominium itself. When purchasing a condo unit, you are essentially purchasing a unit that is governed by a condominium corporation. This condominium corporation is responsible for numerous things, including budgeting for expenses, maintaining and preserving a reserve fund for the major repair and replacement of the common elements, and setting rules and restrictions in relation to the unit. Before entering into a firm agreement for a condominium, you should always have a real estate lawyer review the status certificate and accompanying documents. A status certificate for a condo essentially gives us a snapshot of the health of the condominium corporation. Your real estate lawyer will be able to guide you and provide an overall assessment on the management of the condominium corporation. Often when reviewing a status certificate, it will be revealed that the maintenance fees have substantially increased over the past few years, or that the corporation will be or has levied a special assessment against the unit. A special assessment is essentially a lump sum payment that the corporation requires from unit owners. The status certificate review may also reveal certain rules, such as pet restrictions. Clients should be aware of all of these matters before committing to purchasing a unit.